got a homemade mini dozer. I've been working on this thing for probably 15 years, and this year I decided to get it done. It's been sitting in the back of the shop, ignoring it I was into other projects, but this thing is all hand built. We'll have some other videos showing more detail, but we have an F1L 210 Deutz engine. It's around 15 horsepower. It's based off a wheel horse chassis. I highly modified everything. We're almost ready to get the hood and the dash done. I gotta finish painting the dash and the hood. It's all wired up electrically except for the lights. We're gonna have oil pressure and amp gauge. Pretty cool little project. Got to finish up a few things, but it works pretty good. We're gonna take some more videos, especially when we get the thing put together here a little further. I got to build the front blade for it, and we'll keep you posted on new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.